Kune vanhu vaitaura mashoko kuti Idi Mnangagwa anenge akutya. I think it is now coming true. As we can see from his interview with the Sunday Mail, Idi Mnangagwa was not giving responses independently, but he was waiting for George Charamba to nod his head. Zvaita kuti vanhu vareze suspicions kuti chii chava kuitika. Muri Zimbabwe isarapinda muzere na interview iyi nokuti wasubscribe olaika utina on the bell icon. Nokuti pano pa X endo pano postewa pachinzi George Charamba prohibited the full streaming of Mnangagwa's recent interview with the Sunday Mail. The interview was only published in short videos. Charamba feared the interview may expose Mnangagwa's shallowness and infirmity. In case I was lied to. Anyone with the full video. So we can see mama responses upon Evan. Mwana achiti you are not wrong. Video coming soon. Manoti they are editing it, removing episodes where he was waffling. You should have seen George Charamba aka Donzamsoro sitting there like a buffoon. Watching over Mnangagwa speaking and nodding for confirmation. Saka ndo zvatiri kuona zviri kubuda panapa nemaresponses evanhu vakwanisa kuona interview painge chistreama zvinzi Idi Mnangagwa maresponses aakuita ava kutotya nokuti anonga achityira kuti maybe angona kuexposa more information isiri necessary. So tell us what you think in the comment section medu tize mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe-interview iyi. Aiwa musangano subscribe or like channel tina on the bell icon. Tombochera mabitsa nokupa pano paZVAITWA.